Welcome. If you're looking to allow Pinterest to share your activity with partners using your PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the latest steps, so you can easily update your privacy preferences after Pinterest's new update. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Pinterest website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Find and click on Settings. This is where you'll be able to control many aspects of your Pinterest experience. Now that you're in the Settings section, you'll notice a few different categories. What you want to do next is look for the option labeled Privacy and Data. Go ahead and click on that. This section is dedicated to your privacy preferences and how your information is managed on Pinterest. Scroll down until you see the setting called Sharing Info with Partners. This option allows Pinterest to share your activity with their trusted partners, which can help personalize your experience and improve the services you see. If you want to enable this feature, simply check the box next to Sharing Info with Partners. Once you've checked the box, don't forget the most important step. Click Save. This ensures that your new settings are updated and your preferences are applied. You'll usually see a confirmation message letting you know that your changes have been saved successfully. And that's it. You've now allowed Pinterest to share your activity with partners directly from your PC, following the latest update. This can help you get more tailored recommendations and a more personalized experience across the platform. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring Pinterest with your new settings.